Ooh, look at these dumplings. Look at them. If you know anything about rundown, there be a cook rundown, you know. This is home. Look at that beauty. Look at it. Colors popping. Sauce is there. Glossiness is there. And look at the color. Look at the color. So welcome to part 2 of my New Year's dinner journey. So this is green gongo, Jamaican green gongo. I'm gonna be making gongo rice and peas. You saw me earlier where I use this is corned beef. This is 1 kilo. This is 2 pounds. So I kind of half cooked it. I told you what I did. I pre-soaked it all night, rinse it off, and I scalded it off, and I use my pressure pot to give it, you know, kind of pre-cook it, because the gongo is like easy to cook. So this is the water from what I use to pressure it. Right in there I have some garlic pegs and green gongo sauce. I'm gonna be starting off to get it all cooked in with this corned beef. So I'm gonna cook it, start it cooking a little, maybe a 5 or 7 minutes, and I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Alright, so this is how I'm starting off part 2. So I tell you how I do my sorrel. Sorrel is here, and my sorrel I thaw out. You see it? Yes, so I do it. Next clip. Okay, now made some progress. This is my mutton. I'm just adding, as I tell you, not the prettiest of curry. I'm not really stressed about it. But just put in my something, and I think I'm gonna put a little more scallions. So a little butter and a little bit more water for the gravy. The oxtail it over here, so the beans them give me a warm time. Honestly, they did. I don't know, but nevertheless, yeah, may I go gravy it down. No, this here is the gongo, scallion thyme. Got my green pepper, pimento seeds, and I have not added, and a little butter. I have not added any salt, because you see the corned beef, you see how rich it is. My coconut milk is in, and this is the flavor I want for my green gongo. Yeah. So you see how rich it is. This has the flavor of the corned beef. So that green gongo rice and peas here today, I got turn up. So we'll get in the rice here right about now. I gravy down this mutton here. You know, and I go gravy down the oxtail here. Well, me personally, now I'm getting no oxtail smell and taste right here, so no, but it is what it is. So I guess so with that. So I catch you in the next clip on a different mood, in a different location, still doing my New Year's dinner. So okay, so I have a little picnic ham right here. It's about 7 pounds. Small ham, so me I go wrap it. Normally this should have been do already, you know, but so it go anyway. You know, plan to certain things. So I'm done see how my ham do already. So I set it in our oven here, about the place here. And that is happening. You see me at the prayer clip, me show you my chicken. So basically I just so with there, you know. I get another. So this I got in the oven about 2 hours and 15 minutes. I look little, but it kind of little solid. It have a little weight to it. I get another layer. So next clip. Okay. So this is the rice and peas all finished, and this is the oxtail all finished. Right here, Cub is making, she's making a sauce for the little ham. Mutton finished, and we're gonna be doing a little so for me is that woman when I like my rice shelly, but my firm opinion is that when you have rice and gongo with, I love rice and gongo with oxtail, I feel say the gongo for shelly when you have it with oxtail. So basically I eat. And of course, you know, so me corned beef down in there. Me tell you no. This rice, gongo rice and peas, in a normal. Yep. Yeah. So far, what I'm mostly proud of are the Patagonga rice and peas, yeah. But me catch you in the next clip. So guys, this is the like finished look. We have our rice and peas there, and you saw what I did. We have our spatchcock charred or spatchcock chicken. What's that? I don't even remember. I'm so tired. We have our little picnic on there. Yeah, come on girl did pasta, mac and cheese. This is our oxtails. Yeah, and me tell you, say the bean them never did a lot of justice, but I'm proud of the finishing of the oxtail. And a few little beans are there looking up. Oxtail gravy rich though. You see the gravy, nice rich oxtail gravy. This is the mutton, yeah, and the mutton and the oxtail, they were slow cooked. I know I'm feeling a bit kind of sort of tired. I'm not gonna eat now. I'm just gonna probably cool out, have a shower, and get some rest. This is my sorrel. This is how I serve sorrel. Well chill. I don't serve sorrel over ice. Camera girl, we are supposed to do this tiered leafy salad with a sorrel vinaigrette, but I'm just too tired. So camera girl, just put some little lettuce, and basically that's it. This is all finished. See it? You see we gungo rice and peas with our corned beef, flavors for kill, and all of that. And this is this, as I said, spatchcock grilled charcoal chicken. I did it over charcoal. I did show you a little piece of it. And this is it. For dessert, it was supposed to be plum pudding with a rum sauce, but you know what happened? Your girl is that I've been pulling it since Friday to St. Mary. Come back, I'm feeling a bit drained, you know, and other little things that I've been doing to in and around, and I'm very tired. But I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for the support for the past years, and this is a new year. I want you all to continue supporting and to support more from our family, from our Jamaican family, from our Jamaican kitchen to yours. It's lots of health, wealth, and lots of love from our kitchen. Cook good, eat good, cook happy, and eat happily. So once more, Happy New Year from our kitchen. As we give you a final overview, leave it in the comments. Let us know. This is hot. There's some the rice and go full of flavor, you know, brother. There's no whole heap one time. This good? And you want some mutton. You know, want some of the mac and cheese. A little bit.